get it. Go get it. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Like that.
Oh, don't let her eat it. Take it out of her mouth. Kaizen, please take it from Zuka. Thank you. How about you put it up on the counter? Oh, good job. Hey. Are you being nice? Should you be nice or should you be naughty? You weren't being nice. So what do you do? Be nice.
Stay out of daycare the first couple days this week, depending on how he is.
Yeah. Hey, Kaizen, please take that from Zuka. That's not a toy to play with Zuka.
I can't get it.
Yes, you can. Take it away. Zuka, drop it.
Drop.
Okay, take it away now. Thank you. Good job. No. Oh no. This has developed into a game.
Yeah.
Kaizen, take it away and give it to Mommy, please.
Zeus, drop. Alright, Kaizen, give it to me. Thank you.
Can you give Zuka a kiss? Yes.
Felix, that's how puppies kiss.
Can you give a kiss to the camera and say bye-bye? Oh, poor baby. Can you give a kiss? Thank you.